Hello friends, today we are going to see the further part of advertisements, and the further part of the advertisement is job vacancy or job wanted. There are two types of ads are coming in short advertisement as short composition for 3 marks now in the revised syllabus. Earlier it was for 4 marks, now it will be coming for 3 marks. But this is life oriented one. We should know how the job vacancy is there in the company, how we should apply for particular job, and how the advertisement is set. If you are an entrepreneur, how it should be set in the newspaper for this classified advertisement column. We'll see it in detail. Whenever there is job vacancy or job wanted, so what should be mentioned? The first important point is name of the organization. Which organization wants particular type of a candidate? Then post vacant is very much important. Which post is vacant? Whether it is manager's post, whether it is peon's post, whether it is teacher's post, whether it is secretary's post, that has to be mentioned. The next important is about the essential qualifications which we needed. Suppose you want a medical officer, so you will be certainly finding the medical officer who has been a science graduate, who knows about the medical field very well. Otherwise that will be resulting into different type of catastrophic result. Instead of that, if you are getting a different person recruited, then preferred abilities, whether you want communication abilities with that person, whether you want the educational qualification with that one, that is also necessary. Qualification is very much necessary. Suppose you want a teacher for higher secondary stage, for junior college stage, so you will be requiring postgraduate along with the B.Ed course. If you are applying in the CBSC courses as CBSC teacher, as Navodaya teacher or KVS teacher, so you need to have essential qualification. Computer literacy is a must for all. Then we will go for the next one. Age is important, because some of the companies organization do prefer that the candidate should not be crossing certain age limit, because they want a young and energetic person. But somewhere when they want to establish such a NGO where the retired personnel or army personnel are also welcome, so they are particularly mentioning it, whether they want a candidate of young age of the or the retired one or middle aged one. Because if you want experienced candidate, obviously after graduation some of them will be getting experience in different colleges or different organizations, different schools, different universities, and then after they will be applying for you. Whom to apply, that is most important, because there are certain hierarchy mentioned in the organization and whom you should apply for. Then contact number, address and email ID is important. Nowadays Insta account is there, also website is also preferred, so you may add these things into your job vacancies whenever the job is listed for that one. Now we'll see one example of this one. The Bayer's Pharmax company needed a secretary to managing director for immediate appointment. Draft a suitable advertisement for all major dailies. Supply all the necessary details. So it has to be put in the box. So before that, we'll see in the detail what is given in this ad. Situation vacant, that will be at the center. Situation vacant means from the company side they are giving the advertisement. For Bayer's Pharmax company, a secretary to the managing director for immediate appointment is necessary. Excellent communication skill, what we have talked about the abilities. Excellent communication skill, correspondence skills in English, it's most necessary. Maybe the company is multinational company, so you have to interact with so many people, so many companies that have been tie up with this organization. Pleasing personality and person with prior experience preferred. Should be able to work independently and coordinate between various sections of the company, means they want a multitasker. So such kind of words are used over there. Salary is negotiable. If the candidate is well deserved, he or she will be getting a good salary. Mail your CV within 2 weeks to personal manager, Bayer Pharmax Company, Mysore, and that email ID is given. Contact number will be also mentioned if they want to give. Sometimes company is restricting up to email IDs only. So as it is given here, so mobile numbers, if it can be referred, it can be given. Otherwise, it can be given landline number also for the convenience. Now this was the ad regarding the situation vacant. Now we will move for the situation wanted. Means now this time the company is not going to ask you to fill up the form or do the application. Here you are putting your own advertisement. That is what situation wanted is. Putting your own advertisement so that companies, those who are seeking, they will come to you. Now in earlier ad what we have seen, they were searching for the candidate. Now you are searching for the companies. This is the basic difference and we should note it very carefully. We'll see the example. You are Ajay Sivam of 29 Cave Road, Hyderabad. You have 4 years of experience as a French instructor with an international school abroad. You now wish to settle in your home city. Draft an advertisement in the classified columns stating your qualification and experience. As usual, we'll go with the title. Title will be written in the center in caps, that is situation wanted. MA into bracket French, male, gender is also mentioned. Educated in UK, 4 years experience as a French instructor in an international school abroad. Seeks a teaching position in and around Hyderabad. The placement is also mentioned. So it means where you would like to have the job in and around, because as it is mentioned in the question that he wants to go back into the home city. So he is searching the job in Hyderabad. Is, actually it is, he is proficient in instrumental music and dramatics also. So which are the essential qualities to know about the French culture more, whether in written languages or in oral languages. Expected salary rupees 40,000 per month. Contact Ajay Shivam of 29 Cave Road, Hyderabad, and contact number is given. So this is what the format of situation wanted, and earlier we have seen that was situation vacant. So in an exam, when such kind of question will occur, we should be very careful about finding whether we are applying when as a situation vacant, when company organization is seeking the employees, and here you are a person who wants the situation to be created. Sometimes the situation or that particular post is not there, but still you want that post to be created, and the company may think, organization may think about creating such a post. So these are the two basic things about the situation vacant and situation wanted, because in your career you are going to learn about such kind of advertisement and you are going to reply to them. If you are becoming an entrepreneur also, being a company establisher, you are going to recruit so many people. So in order to recruit people, you should know situation vacant. Under that title you will be giving. And if you find yourself well capable, once I put the ad, many will contact me regarding the job. You will put the ad into situation wanted. This is only for two ad we have seen the advertisement.